Hey, it's Mr. Dixon from Marshall Springs School. Welcome to Outdoor Ed.
The outdoor education program at Marshall Springs aims to foster a connection with the natural world. Through in-class activities and off-site excursions, students are provided the tools to understand ecological processes and the impacts of human activity on the landscape. Depending on the season, students are exposed to a variety of wilderness-based recreational opportunities where they'll be able to apply skills and knowledge for safe, environmentally responsible outdoor activities. These activities could include hiking, mountain biking, indoor wall climbing, snowshoeing, skiing or snowboarding, and more. Here, students will also demonstrate awareness and responsibility for their actions as a member of a group and recognize that individual actions can affect the entire group, especially within a wilderness setting. In addition to off-site field trips, students will also be exposed to the principles of Leave No Trace, the wide-ranging health benefits that time outdoors can provide, wildlife identification and safety, introductory avalanche skills, planning and preparing for outdoor trips, various wilderness skills such as fire building and map reading, as well as the importance of reflection. If you're looking to step outside of your comfort zone and spend more time outside, outdoor education might be the option you're looking for.